Hey everybody, Happy New Year! It's Norm from Freezer Fillers TV, and if you're lucky enough like us to have a freezer full of venison, you're probably looking for different ways to use her up. Today we're going to do a little twist on a family favorite, Tater Tot Casserole. Our original recipe called for ground turkey, which I got some turkey in there. I had the single season slam. Then I gotta get the grinder out, I gotta do this, I gotta do that. So we're gonna use ground venison today from a doe I shot in Pennsylvania. That video will be coming out pretty soon. First step's gonna be frying up the ground venison. Gonna put in some seasoning, Worcestershire, seasoned salt, onion powder, garlic powder, a little salt and pepper. I think that's about it. So let's whip that baby up and then we'll go from there. Here we go. Bird just flew into my window. Just gotta brown it up. Get that started. Use about a tablespoon of garlic powder. Tablespoon of onion powder. Not quite a full tablespoon. Couple tablespoons of Worcestershire. Lowry seasoned salt goes with everything. Sprinkle her on there. A little fresh black pepper. A little bit of salt. Mix her all together. Alright, so we got the meat all browned up, it's over in the pan. And now we're going to mix up the wet ingredients to go over the top. You can do this while you're browning the meat. That's what the freezer filler usually does. But since he's doing show and tell today, we're going slow. First things first, I'm going to put in a can of this evaporated milk. And dump that baby right in there. Then we're going to put in a can of cream of mushroom. And shake her all in there. I'm not a big cream of mushroom fan. I don't like the mushrooms. I think they taste like a fungus, but you don't notice it in this recipe, so can of cream of chicken, don't look at it. Dump her in there. Yup, made a mess. Clean up, aisle 3. Last but not least, this little tweak I put on it. If you're like Mike, you don't like cheese, but I put in a cup of shredded cheddar. Then I take my little whisker, whisk it around. Get her all mixed together. Trust me, it's good stuff. Ryan, if you're watching this, this is for you. You gotta make this for Buddy and Everly. They will love it. Don't make me tell you again. That's that. That's browned. Now you gotta preheat your oven, 350. So get on it, quit wasting time. Alright, the meat's browned, ready to go, all seasoned up. Wet ingredients are done. This recipe calls for a 9x13 pan. This dish is a little bigger. That was a pretty good size package. Whoa, I went there. Said I had a nice package, I stand by that. Of venison, that is. Get your mind out of the gutter. Let's put her all together. Let's see how she looks. Can't get much easier than this. First things first, layer in the meat. Dump her right in there, spread her out. This will be the base layer, nothing to it. I think even Bob could handle this recipe. Next, tater tots. Napoleon Dynamite's favorite right here. Mind if I have the tots? Dump those over the meat. Super complicated. Spread them out. Last but not least, wet ingredients. Put her right over the top. Kind of spread her out. Make sure she's sliding into all those little nooks and crannies. That'll bake right in there. Good stuff, I'm telling you. There we go. Tater Tot Casserole. family favorite right there. Gonna take that dish, gonna pop her in the oven, 350 for an hour. She's in there. Magic of television is gonna be like, oh, it's done. Okay, should be done. Time to take her out and see what we got. She's hot. Better give her a second. 'Cause she is hot.